Use read when you enjoy words, and study when you work hard to learn. Number one, I like to blank comics before bed. Well, comics are fun. You don't do exams with comics. So the answer is read. I like to read comics before bed. Yet, reading comics is way more fun than studying for maths. Number two, she will blank English for the big test. Test? Exam? That's serious. So she is not just reading, she's learning. So the answer is study. She will study exam for the big test. Number three, let's blank a newspaper together. A newspaper is for information or fun. Nobody studies a newspaper for exams. So here we say read. Let's read the newspaper together. Number four, he wants to blank math every night. Math? Ouch! That's school. You don't read math, you study math. So the answer is study. He wants to study math every night. Number five, grandma likes to blank stories to relax. Relax? Oh, that's fun. Grandma is not studying for a test, so the answer is read. Grandma likes to read stories to relax. Number six, we need to blank science for tomorrow's quiz. Quiz tomorrow? That's definitely schoolwork. So the answer is study. We need to study science for tomorrow's quiz. Number seven, I sometimes blank poems on the bus. Poems on the bus? That's light, easy, and fun. So the answer is read. I sometimes read poems on the bus. Number eight, they usually blank history in the library. History in the library? That sounds like exam preparation. So the answer is study. They usually study history in the library. Remember, read for fun and study for learning. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work super hard making these lessons. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.